So, 2003 Honda Accord, Kelly's vehicle, misfire, no start. Oh, just a misfire. Came in, couldn't get it started out in the parking lot, so I had a few of the guys help me out push this in. Went ahead and took off the cover for the coils and spark plugs. First thing I found, spark plug is loose. No, it wasn't even tightened. Let's see. As you can see, it's got some soot, some fuel mixed into there, and it's auto lights. Now, these will work, but our engines are kind of picky of what kind of spark plugs you use. NGKs are best, Denso are even better. Number 3 also loose, wasn't even tightened. Now this came in with a no start, just crank and crank. So this is just what I found so far. I can't really focus on that very well. Let me bring it up a little closer. Maybe. There we go. It's like oil and fuel mixed into there. Probably what they use to lubricate the threads. Make sure they didn't seize, but this is aluminum head. They don't seize to the. They don't really seize to the head. And number 2 is in there, nice and tight. And so is number 4. So far that's what we found. I'll swap them out with some spark plugs I got sitting around and see if they'll start.